Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Daphne and Velma. Do you know who is Daphne? Daphne is a fun and stylish character from the popular cartoon series Scooby-Doo. She loves solving mysteries with her friends and is always dressed up in her favorite purple outfit. Daphne is known for her kindness, bravery, and clever ideas. Even though she sometimes gets into the sticky situation, she always stays positive and helps her friend figure out the clue. Kids love Daphne because she knows that being smart and caring are the best way to help others. Do you know who is Velma? Velma is the brainy and resourceful member of Scooby-Doo gang. She known for her smart and always figuring out the tough mysteries that others cannot solve. With her orange sweater and glasses, Velma loves reading and learning new things. Even when she loses her glasses, she never gives up. Kids admire Velma because she shows that being smart is cool and using your brain can help solve any problem. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.